girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? I hope you guys are doing well. It's Sunday today and I thought instead of just having a lazy Sunday, I'd actually get something done and film and get up a video for you guys. So this is actually going to be uploaded in a couple of hours, which I normally don't do. So if you are watching on Sunday, happy Sunday. I hope you're having a great weekend. And in today's video, I'm going to be recreating a makeup look by the makeup artist Vanngo. I just pray that's how you pronounce his name. I recreated one of his looks that he did on Emily Ratajkowski a couple of weeks ago. If you guys haven't watched that, I'll link it down below. But I love his work so much. He's one of my favorite artists. And I found another look that I really love, and this was on Taylor Hill. She's got this beautiful, very glowy, natural skin with like a slight bronze and blush as well. And then of course what pops out are the lips, so it's a really amazing like orange color. In the last video, if you guys watched it, you might have seen that the makeup artist listed all the products that he used, so I was able to like use a lot of those products and that made it really easy for me. But in this photo he didn't actually say what he was using, and I went through the comments. I tried to find the lip color because everyone was asking what lip color this is, and I never ended up finding it. So I went out today and I got one that I think is similar, really close to this one, so I hope that will work. I actually have a turtleneck similar to this as well, so I'm gonna pop that on once I have finished the look. And then the eye is just a little bit of like bronze in there and like a highlighter in a corner. I think she's got a black liner just to make the lash line look thicker, and then she has pretty natural lashes, just some mascara on top and bottom. It doesn't look like falsies or anything, and her brows are really big. My brows are pretty big too, so I'm excited for that. And yeah, let's get into it. I bought this oversized shirt today. This is by Topshop, and it's got pockets as well. It's like a shirt dress, and I bought this because I thought it would be so perfect for when I do my makeup and stuff, because I never do my makeup with my outfit already on. Like, I love being really comfortable, and I also never want to get makeup on my clothes, so I'm like obsessed with this and it's so comfy. Also, I've been noticing how dark my hair is at the moment. It's actually insane. I've never dyed my hair ever, but sometimes it's a little bit lighter because of the sun, and at the moment it is so dark, but I kind of like it. So I already did moisturize, but I do like having a really hydrated base, so I'm just gonna pop on some more. This is by Drunk Elephant. This is called the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. I really like this one. I think this is great for sensitive skin because kind of smells like nothing. I don't like moisturizers that have a really strong scent because that just means that there's something in there that could potentially irritate me, and also I just don't like having scented things on my skin. My lips are also extremely dry, so I'm gonna pop on some of this Verso lip serum. I'm gonna start off with foundation. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I got this in the shade Golden Beige, and I'm gonna use a beauty blender with this, so I'll pop it on the back of my hand and then just start applying that. And I didn't get this foundation up until a couple of weeks ago, which I know is weird for someone who's into makeup because everyone and their mother has tried this foundation and I just never did. And now I'm really obsessed with it. It's so, so good. Also, we're getting so close to 80,000 subscribers, and that means that we're closer and closer to 100k, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy that, you know, I'm growing, my channel's growing, and I just feel like the work that I've been putting in is really paying off. And I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who subscribed to me, whether you're new or not, but especially if you're new, if you found me through my last few videos. Thank you for joining me, and also to anyone who like shares my videos with their friends or whatever, thank you so much. I'm just popping on a little bit more. I love this foundation because it's so easy to apply and it has a really beautiful finish, and I find that it's really buildable. This is definitely like the most full coverage foundation that I own. So I'm gonna do concealer next. This is the Tarte Shape Tape, another new product, or at least new to Australia, because obviously this has been out probably everywhere else for a while and was like so hyped, and now it finally is in Sephora in Australia as well. So I got this one a couple weeks ago too, and I love it. I have the shade Medium Sand and it works really well, and I love the applicator. I'm gonna use quite a lot today just because her skin looks so perfect in the photo. There we go. And I just used the beauty blender again. Wow, how good does that look? What's everyone doing for Valentine's Day? Are you guys going out with your boyfriend? Are you going out with the girls for Valentine's Day? Or what are you doing? I'm really interested, especially if you are in a couple. I'm interested, do you guys celebrate Valentine's Day? Because for Kel and I, we go out for a nice dinner and drinks and stuff, but we don't do presents or anything. For us, it's like not the most special day. Like, it's a nice day to go out to dinner and stuff, but to me, like, birthdays are much more special, and like our anniversary is probably the most special. Because Valentine's Day is like set by society, I guess, it's just not that special of a day to me, but I do think it's nice to do something. I think if I was single, I'd probably go out with some girlfriends, go out for dinner and drinks. We love each other, or Kel and I love each other every day, and we show each other our love every single day. But I don't know, I think there's nothing wrong with like having this day a year to just celebrate love, whether that's with your partner or with your girlfriends or whatever. See how perfect that looks? Hi.
Sorry.
Want to be in my video? I think I'm gonna do the Laura Mercier set. I've been loving the Fenty Beauty, the old like blotting powder, not from the new collection. I haven't tried that. I've been loving that for like more natural looks, but I feel like it's not enough for a full coverage look. Like the Laura Mercier is just the best for that. Where is it though? Last year for Valentine's Day we were in New York, so that's kind of hard to top, but we went to a really good restaurant. We had like a 7-course meal. I'm just picking up the powder, by the way, and just pressing that in. I've really been loving that technique. What was I saying? Yeah, so last year for Valentine's Day we were in New York, and actually last year today, like around this time, we were already there, and I realized that the other day when Instagram sent me like a weird reminder, like this was a photo you took a year ago. And I was like, a year? That's crazy. I feel like time is going by so fast, but at the same time, so much is happening. Since we've been there, so much has happened in my life, but it's all gone so quickly. It's so weird. I will be doing a Valentine's Day get ready with me, so I'll do like makeup, outfit, just like a chit chat video. I thought that would be fun. And I am gonna vlog this whole week as well, so I'll probably get some shots of our dinner. Okay, I don't want to powder too much because her skin looks quite glowy. So I think I'm gonna do my brows. So I'm gonna be really boring, and I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. I think I'm just gonna fill them in and just not include it because it's so boring. Okay, my brows are done. I know they look massive, but Taylor Hill's brows are very big too, and she has them quite bold in the photo as well, so I wanted mine to be really big. And I think once the full face is done, it will look better, because it always looks a little bit odd when you have your brows done and nothing else. I think I will be doing the eyes next, just because they'll be really easy. I'm gonna use this Hourglass palette. This is the Ambient Lighting Edit Volume 4. And I'm gonna grab this little bronzy shade here, because it looks like she's just got a bronzer in her crease and on the lower lash line. Okay, that's all the shadow I'm gonna do. I will use a liner. This is the Marc Jacobs liner in black. And I'm going to line my upper waterline, so like under here. And then her whole eye looks very shimmery, so I'm gonna go back into the palette and take this shade here. This is just a very, very subtle highlighter, and I'm just gonna pop that over the bronze. And now I'm gonna take the Becca Vanilla Quartz highlighter and just put that in my inner corner, and I always use my fingers for this. There we go. And now I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on mascara, and this is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. I'm gonna contour a little bit and bronze with the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze in Tantric. blush, she seems to have kind of a coral blush on. So I do actually have one in this Hourglass palette, this one, which I think will work. So let's have a look. And he's put it quite low on her. This one might be a tad too pink, but oh well. No, actually, I think it's fine. I'm kind of gonna try to blend it in with my bronzer, because with her it seems to really seamlessly go into the bronze. I think that's why it seems to be so low. And I think I'm gonna go over my bronzer or the contour or whatever with a fluffier brush and this bronze that I also put in my eye, because the one I used before from Marc Jacobs is matte, and this one just adds a little bit of shimmer because her skin looks so nice and glowy. So I'm just doing a little bit and I'm just going over there very roughly. Next up is highlighter. I'm gonna use the Becca one that I put in the corner of my eyes. I'm gonna gel my brows. This is the brow gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm pretty sure her brows were just brushed up. Yeah, so they're kind of brushed up and then to the back, like towards the back. Okay, now the last step is the lipstick. So let's see if this one works. So this is by Fenty Beauty. This is one of the Mattemoiselle lipsticks in Tiger Tini. I swatched this on my hand, it looked pretty similar, so I'm just gonna start applying that. I don't have a liner that goes with this, so pray for me. I do have to say that these go on very well. I don't think I would have even needed a liner. He's kind of gone over her little, I don't know what this is called. Is this also the Cupid's bow? Like just the little, how it goes down? He's kind of gone over that and just really made the lips super round. So I'll attempt to do that. All right. Am I Taylor Hill yet? I don't think so, but it's okay. So I finished the look. The lips was actually more challenging than I thought because the color is so pigmented. It's so easy to mess up, but I think it looks okay. I also added a little bit more blush. I added a tiny bit of this Fenty matchstick in Chili Mango because I felt like it wasn't orange enough. It was too pink and like corally still. So I added a tiny bit of that just with my fingers. And that's basically it. So I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I think I definitely want to wear more super basic looks with like a bright, bold lip. It's definitely still out of my comfort zone because I always just do a nude lip or just a gloss, but I do love the look of a bold lip, especially if it like goes with your outfit. I think it's so cool. Hers still looks different. The lip color that Vanngo used is a little bit lighter than this one, and it seems like more of a neon orange almost. I don't know what kind of magic this is, but I feel like this comes kind of like close to the idea. And obviously this wasn't like a turning myself into Taylor Hill. I just wanted to kind of do a look inspired by this, and I think I achieved that. I am really happy with it. Let me know if you guys like it, and yeah, so that's basically it. I need to take this jumper off, otherwise I'm gonna get a heat stroke. I love you all very much. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!